I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at how to change the font size on your Amazon Kindle. So this is my Kindle Oasis, and I'm going to change the font size. First, I'm just going to tap on the screen 2 times. That's going to pull up my menu here. Then I'm going to press this font size button, and you can go and take a look at the different options here. So I've got a custom one going on, but you can also change it to compact, large, or standard. So if I want to, I can save my current settings first. I'll call it this theme 1 so I can remember it and be able to come back to it later. If I want to change it to be compact, you can see that makes the text a lot more crunched. Standard, here we go, a little bit bigger. And then large print, if you find that you need much larger text in order to be able to read it, it's equivalent to more of a traditional large print book. I can also go into the font directly here, and I can even bump up the size further if I want to. So you can really make it a lot larger, a lot smaller, and you can change the font family if you want. You can change the boldness as well. Now, I always like to save the settings I had, so if I want to jump back to the way it was, I just go back to my original theme.